Hi guys, today I'm going to check inside of this super fake Casio super fake. So let's begin. Take my screwdriver. Let's see how. Yep, it's done. One. I'm doing this through the screen, so it's a bit difficult. Show the back cover. Wait a minute. Let's continue. So I've just removed the back plate, and the gasket already dropped out. Okay, at least there's a gasket, but you can see clearly here. You can see the molding is quite rough all around, and I do not know what is this. Focus this metal plate. Let me try to remove it. Oh, the whole unit came up together. Come on, let me get it up. Yeah, so the whole unit is out. This seems like a way down metal piece, or what? I couldn't. So let's leave this aside first. This casing, focus. This casing, the plate bit dirty, drop inside. So the molding is quite flimsy. There's no, let me see clearly, is there any I don't think there's any O-rings. No O-rings inside. So this is definitely not waterproof. Leave this aside. The faceplate, focus. The faceplate, this is the faceplate. Probably this hole is this top hole is cut a bit up, that's why it's blocking the display. Yeah, it's a bit off. You see, if the wording is nice, then the other letters is covered, as you can see. The faceplate is definitely off to one side, so left the unit itself. So how you guys think? Yeah, screws not clip. This is a badly over tightened screws. Let me try to, there's a spring behind. This plate. I don't know what it is. If I could take it out, it's probably, I can put it back in. This is the battery here. The battery is inside. Need to be screw down. Yeah. This This screw is for the battery. The battery is inside. I don't think I have to go further. Focus. 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 So you guys have a good look about the unit. This is the deep fake. Not deep fake. This is a very fake. Very fake Casios. Very fake Casios. This one seems a bit off, but never mind. See the light? Comes on at the corner. Focus, focus. See the light comes on at the corner. So that's it. Bye bye.